So 757 Anas radiallahu anhu reported, Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to breathe 3 times in the course of a drink. He used to drink in 3 gulps.
Right. So the Prophet ﷺ, he used to, what again?
He used to breathe 3 times in the course of a drink.
What did you understand from that English was, Ya Abid? I want to understand that if it's good English or not. Anybody can you tell me what did you understand from that English?
Breathe 3 times in the course. So
Tell me. No, don't tell me what you think is correct. Tell me what is the translation mean. Do you understand me? Maybe you've read the meaning of it. I want to know what the English means. I mean, a person who has got no idea, tell me what it is. Read the English again.
So he used to breathe 3 times in the course of a drink.
So what did you understand that? Breathing inside, outside, what did you understand? He said to breathe in the course. What are you breathing, outside or inside? It doesn't make sense to you.
Yeah. It's unclear. It's unclear. The course is while he's drinking it. It doesn't talk about inside or outside. Just as he's drinking it, he breathes 3 times.
Okay. So that's what I just wanted to know. Basically, it should mean that he used to drink into 3 lots, 3 times. Okay. It doesn't mean to do with breathing at all. Okay. So he would drink like this. As if the drink is, it's just that much. So let's say you've got a cup of water, you're thirsty. He will not drink one go. He will drink it 3 times. So here, the breathing is not involved in this hadith. But later on we'll see the breathing is to do with the person doing it outside. So we do outside, not inside the cup. But this is not to do with the breathing, it's to do with the Prophet of Allah shows that when he drinks, he drinks 3 lots. And that is actually to show the sunnah that the person, when he drink it in this way, he will be more enjoyable to him. More enjoyable to him.